Hello kids, good morning. Today we are going to study about phonics words. And our topic for today is, are you ready? Great! For today we have, please repeat after me. Ready? Great! A. Please repeat after me. This a. G. G. A. G. 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 A. G. Egg. Egg. This is the phonics word egg. Egg. One more time. Egg. Egg. Now let us read. Egg. 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 Very good. Egg. Egg. Beep. 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 B. Egg. Bag. B. Egg. Bag. 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 Next. Egg. 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 Tag. Egg. Tag. 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 Egg. Egg. R. Egg. Rag. Egg. Rag. 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 Egg. Egg. F. L. Flag. 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 Very good. Now let us read. Are you ready? Okay. Please repeat after me. This is a bag. This is a bag. It is a bag. It is a bag. Now it's your turn. Ready? Go! Next. Great. This is a tag. This is a tag. Next, it is a tag. It is a tag. Now it's your turn. Read. Great job! Next, this is a rag. This is a rag. It is a rag. It is a rag. Now it's your turn. Next. Great. Next, let's read. This is a flag. This is a flag. It is a flag. It is a flag. Now it's your turn. Please read. Great. Now, let's circle the picture. Are you ready? Circle the picture. So, you are going to circle the picture. Ready? Okay, circle the correct picture. Bag, bag. Which one is the bag? Point your fingers. Correct. Next, we have tag, tag. Which one is the tag? Point your finger. Great. Good job, kids. Next. Rag, rag. Which one is the rag? Point your finger. Okay, great job. Next. Flag, flag. Which one is the flag? Great. Good job, kids. I hope you learned all for today. And that's all. Goodbye. See you next week.